and I'm gonna keep putting stuff on my face so I look unrecognizable.
I already started. Don't put stuff on it. That's oh god, that's body perfume.
This?
Yeah.
Ow. It's like a gel, isn't it?
Come on, we're making a burping video now. Come sit down. That's body perfume. Don't put that on your face. And it's like really old. I don't even know how old it is. I don't remember.
It smells like dish soap.
Maybe they gave me dish soap and said it was body
Did you
perfume.
walk around with that on?
I wore dish soap to school.
Yeah.
Come sit down. Hi everybody, we're making a burping video, yeah! And Bo-chan won't sit down, so I'm about to grab her and like freaking backhand her into her seat. We have pizza, and it's really good.
We decided to make a burping video because we haven't made one for a
We haven't made a burping video, and you guys respond to burping videos and like them and stuff. And yeah.
Katerina, I shoot you! Ow! That hurts!
What the fuck, man? She just threw a Pokeball at me. You don't. I ain't cool, yo. Please sit down, Bo-chan. Bo-chan! Bo-chan! Oh my god. Bo-chan!
Yeah?
I choose you. No, seriously, I just threw this at the floor. You have to appear now.
Where is it?
Right here. Now come sit, Bo-chan, because I said so. You, Bo-chan, use the attack sit on the bed.
I think...
Come on, it's supposed to higher your defenses. It's supposed to... It works on your special defense stat. Okay, now sit. I can't burp right now. I just burped like 3 times. And I couldn't right now.
That is so gross.
Oh yeah, she stopped burping and now she's disgusted by it again.
Oh no. I was saying gross like candy.
Oh yeah, we just made a video about it. And it's just candy and it's really not good and we're like super serious in that video. Actually, we have rice candy too. Where be that rice candy? Okay, you burp.
You only made one, didn't you? About one?
Yeah, no. No, read. I mean, yeah, read.
Remember the papers. Going again to stop. Your butt. Works your toes.
That. Aren't you good at this?
Whoop! I slipped.
Oops. Okay, now my password. Where's the P? Click, click, click. Oh wow, it was recording. Sorry, you guys just totally saw my shirt. It's a nice shirt though. Just kidding, it's my dad's.
Yeah.
Bo-chan, rice
Am I
candy.
excused?
No, you're not excused.
I really love this stuff. It's like noise buddy.
Pizza out.
It is 4:43 on a Friday. I really can't stop now.
Burp, 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 burp. Now we just go.
I liked it better when it was darker. That way you can't see my face.
Okay.
Oh wow. My vision just changed. So what do you want to do later, Katerina?
I want to eat. This rice candy is delicious.
Oh, there's more?
Yes.
That only came with 2.
No, it comes with a whole bunch of them. See, and they have like this inner wrapper that melts in your mouth. Oh my god, it's perfect. Perfection.
Right.
It's perfection in every shape, way, and form. Except there's these kids who walked into the store and they didn't know what Totoro was. They didn't know what anything was, and it was really sad because they were like, "Oh, it's a rabbit," and it's not a rabbit. And I was like,
They're like, yeah, it's a bunny. And I was just like, are you talking about... Never mind.
etc. Not everyone understands. No one really watches it anymore.
Why would they go into a Japanese store and just like criticize?
They weren't criticizing. They walked into a Japanese store not knowing what anything was.
Seriously. I
And
get it.
sometimes
You might be
they-
looking for like life. The answer to life.
This is really good. I like it. Also, from that same store, I got, because I don't think I told you about this yet. I got this, which is really good.
It's really thick too.
It's delicious. And this, which I have to make. I don't read Japanese, and I really wish I did, or whatever language, or you know what I mean. And I'm gonna make this, and it looks really good. And I
green apple
got,
flavors.
Where is it? A Death Note harmonica, which is like super cool to me. And then I got Attack on Titan necklace. Love it.
I got you that for Christmas.
I know. But they were from the same store.
Pizza, pizza, pizza. I should be a wrestler. That was.
Be loving the anime.
I love anime. I can't believe we're gonna have a whole week of not seeing it.
I'm not seeing anime? I'm probably gonna see anime because my brother is in a Taku.
No, I mean, because we don't have anime club.
Oh yeah. Can you believe he knew my name?
Probably because we like yell and stuff when we go to class. Well, you mainly.
Yeah, me.
Pizza.
Can I eat this one?
Yeah.
Full time on me. So I can eat this wrapper right here, right?
Yeah. It melts.
I know it's on my teeth now.
The wrapper. What time rest candy?
The wrapper isn't appetizing though.
Not really. But when you get through that, then you have like really good stuff. It came with a sticker. I just remembered. Look at the speaker. It's so cute.
We love Japan.
Mm-hmm. A lot.
Be hate in America.
I'm too funny. If a lady doesn't talk with her mouth full.
I love those fat Americans. You know they're so obnoxious. Always eating burgers. Always holding shotgun. And I don't want to say it because that is really racist. No.
It's not racist because I'm Mexican.
Okay, it's called stereotypes, and I'm gonna keep going. And I love those Mexicans, the way they mow my lawn. They all got 100 kids because they don't know how to put condom on. Oh yeah, and that's the way they roll. You gotta go big like it's really low. I don't know how to say that word.
It's a song.
5 pint for an Irish guy, then you're out of control like a Chinese driver. And I love them. How do they handle? I need to stop watching that video. Italia.
The Italia version.
Yeah, that's what gets me.
If you know the Stereotypes song and you watch the Italia version, it's like 10 times better. Just saying.
Seriously, like message us if you love anime. I would love to talk to you.
We really would. We'll like never stop talking to you. I know John does.
I don't really care.
He knows who he is. And he told me to say something to him in a video and I totally forgot. And then he told me to confess my feelings for him. The feelings I don't have.
Hey John, she likes you.
John, ignore what she said. No more pizza for Bo-chan. Just kidding.
She talks about you non-stop.
No, I don't.
And she always like, she falls asleep reading her messages. And when she thinks of pizza, she pretends it's your lips.
No! What? This took a really weird turn. This is a really weird turn from burping into I don't know what. Look at this box of pizza. Oh, Snapple.
Snapples and pineapples.
We have another box too.
Ow.
But yeah. This has been 9 minutes of nothing. It's us eating and talking.
If you actually, if you watch the whole video, please put in the comments pizza. Just put in the comments pizza, and we will know you actually watch, and we would be proud. So we would be like the happiest people ever, huh?
We'll give you a shout out that we don't know how to do.
We're not cool enough for that.
We're not cool enough for this world.
Yeah, we're not cool enough for YouTube, but here we are.
Yeah. Hi.
I hate you, YouTube. I'm just getting out of you, baby. Don't leave me.
See, John, this is why we don't listen to her. I'm sorry, Blitchen. Okay. Imagine Yowie. Come on, we know that's a smile.
Shut up.
I'm gonna stop this video with my foot again.
Don't do it. You don't know the answers to life.
Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry
Christmas.
We wish you a Merry
Christmas.
I tried. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I missed.
You're getting my bed all icky.
Your bed is icky anyway. I'm not gonna say it out loud, but
I know my bed's icky, but
yeah, there's pizza grease everywhere, and
no, there's not. She says that she wipes her hands on her bed.
yeah, our videos
Where's
are
my
pointless.
phone? Our videos are pointless. If you still watch us, you guys, I don't know how you put up with us. Where's my phone at? Ow! My light, it burns! No, seriously, where's my phone?
I don't know.
Don't. Oh, here it is. I threw it on the floor. I threw it on the ground. What is this?
I'm probably like the most depressed person in the world right now.
Why? Because I'm leaving? Just kidding. Oh, because Nathan left?
Oh, Nathan. Knew that kid since like elementary. That kid was cool. You know, he's actually the only guy that treats me like I'm a girl.
Is that because all our friends are males and they think we're not females?
I don't know, but he's the only one that actually treats me like a girl. Nobody else does.
I treat you like a girl.
You treat me like a Bochan.
I know, because you are Bochan. Bochan, I have to back this up now. You still won't be able to see. Bochan make Chan, what knee is it again? Right knee?
Yeah, it's always the right.
Okay. Bochan make Chan go like this.
No, leave it back there.
Okay. Oh no, I accidentally almost kissed the computer. I can't see. Can I borrow your glasses?
Surely.
Temple?
Temple?
I don't know. I is not see.
Neither can I. Let's go guide each other down the street.
Let's end this video together.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me get all this stuff out. Okay. Wait, no.
No, wait.
Wait, can you see?
If I squint my eyes, it's right here. Go.
I can see my lips. That's the only thing I can see is my lips.
Now, quick.